easily down to Festus, easily seeing 70 mile per hour winds with a straight line wind. Doesn't really matter at that point whether it's tornadic or straight line winds. The damage can be very similar. Straight line winds going to knock things over at right angles, but it can certainly do a heck of a lot of damage in a very short period of time. Because there are tremendous lightning bolts here at Maryland Heights. Again, that is running out ahead of that storm system that is moving very, very quickly to the northeast and to the east at about 50 plus miles per hour.
If you, this is just an explosive atmosphere, if you take our roof camera view right here in Maryland Heights, you can really, if you look at that dark, stretched sky out there, we're starting to see those lightning flashes as well, and the thunder as well. And figuring the mall command center on the town center as David was just saying, up through 3-4 Maryland Heights and onto the Hazelwood and Forest areas. This is the sky you're going to see coming, and when it starts to rain, it will be raining very, very hard, very dark skies. So don't go out on the roads right now. If you have some place you need to be around the noontime hour, just stay here and stay in your home, in your basement, in your interior room. We're going to keep bringing you update coverage of this as it marches through the Fox News viewing area. We're also going to be teaming up with our partners here at Channel 11 as well to continue this coverage as the dangerous weather situation marches right into and towards downtown St. Louis.
Yeah, this is again, very dangerous situation across the area. The pace is extremely fast on this line, so it hits you quickly, does not last very long, 15 minutes probably at the max, but it will do its stuff as it roars through central portions of St. Louis County and the eastern portions of Jefferson County right now. Certainly the possibilities from tornadic activity from Baldwin to Manchester to town and country pushing towards 3 and 4, all of that and Ladue, and straight line wind from Arnold down through Festus and including the Peabody area. More of a straight line wind situation, a very, very dangerous situation across western and central portions of St. Louis County and eastern portions of Jefferson County.
Not sure if you can pass this along yet. We have dispatch out of Central County reporting wires down throughout St. Louis County, and St. Louis County also reporting tornado was on the ground at 11, 5 minutes ago, 141 and Highway 30 near Fenton. Highway 30 near Fenton, 5 minutes ago, tornado on the ground down there.
All right, we are going to continue our coverage here on Fox 2, but we're also going to be joining our sister station on Channel 11 right now. So we're now simulcast on both Fox 2 and Channel 11. Welcome our Channel 11 viewers, and we'll get you caught up to date here. The most intense storm of this moment is in several portions of St. Louis County, trailing down into eastern portions of Jefferson County. This is the most severe activity. There are tornado warnings, the sirens are blowing, especially in St. Louis County and Jefferson County, and folks who live in the city and also right on the east side. This is moving your way very, very quickly.
And once again, if we can just take our roof camera view here in Maryland Heights, you can really see how heavy the rain is coming down here in the St. Louis area right now. Absolutely blinding rain, heavy winds, lightning, and thunder moving right down the area right now.
Civil rule of thumb for go here. Obviously, tornadic type situations are very isolated.
I gotta go!
A little larger across the area, but what we need to basically get the point across here is if you all of a sudden have an increase in thunder and lightning, and then all of a sudden you get into this heavy rain, very heavy blinding rain situation, you are in the heart of the storm. You're in the worst part of the storm. That's where it could be tornadic or 60 straight line winds with this activity. So don't mess around with it. Even though you may say to yourself, I don't think this is going to produce a tornado.
Yeah, I called you to warn you about the tornado warning.
This stuff pockets from basically the southwest to the northeast across the area.
Yeah, it's about to hit down here. It's starting to rain down here where we're living at.
Tornado warp that are in this. They're very small for the most part, but they can do them very, very quickly.
Yeah, we're literally like right next to your job, and it's starting to rain. Gosh, so lots of lightning with this thing. Oh yeah, and I have a new camcorder. Yeah. What? Oh, the wind is very strong. Close that door. Yeah, the wind is kind of strong. And I'm sitting here filming it. They're finna put on the sirens right now. They're finna put back on the sirens. Whoa. There's lots of lightning with this storm right now. There they go, sounding them. Alright. Well, Brandon, I'm finna go ahead and film this storm. Peace. Gosh, that was nice. That's what they said. This is a rain wrap tornado, so basically shouldn't be doing this. Actually, I'm actually dumb to be doing this. So it shouldn't be. Wind is catching the door a bit. Just heard that. Starting to hail a little bit. Oh snap. Whoa. Holy crap. Do you see this? Whoa. It is hell, because I hear it. It's a rain wrap tornado, that's what they said. It's a rain wrap, so I don't know where it's at.
Yeah, you can't see it.
But it's probably done now. I think the worst just went past.
And then the line really starts to curve backwards and falls apart quite a bit, losing some of its intensity as we drop off. And then the most intense now in St. Louis County, in central and eastern portions of St. Louis County, the city.
Yep, I think the twister just went past us, because I saw all the wind.
Those counties in Illinois.
Storm reports in.
Reports, in addition to the tornadoes and the damage in the area, 1.5 inch size hail in Barnhart, Missouri, and Imperial, Missouri, 3/4 inch size hail, thunderstorm wind damage in Baldwin, Missouri, winds estimated at 60 miles per hour at the intersection of Manchester and Holloway. That was in Baldwin, Missouri. Quarter size hail, Imperial, Missouri, we had 8.5 report also. Thunderstorm wind gusts estimated at 70 miles per hour in Washington, Missouri. That's Franklin County, 2-foot diameter trees down just west of Washington, Missouri. And that was this morning about noontime. Hail, quarter inch size hail, Manchester, Missouri at 11:55. And tornado, according to National Weather Service, Burns Mill, that's in Jefferson County. That was reported at 11:56. Dave?
This is the area we're continuing to be most concerned about with the strongest rotation and the possibility of tornadic activity, and it's right in the heart of St. Louis County.